We came into this world as babies, a clean slate, no programming in our brain whatsoever. And we all had two fears, the fear of falling and the fear of loud noises. That's it. And over time, we accumulated all of this programming, conditioning, belief systems of the people around us, which are not at all who we are as humans. So when we talk about healing or personal growth or personal development or mindfulness or self-discovery, all it really means is taking a look at this set of programs that we have and deciding if it's supporting our health and well-being or not. Is it helping us make better decisions? Or is it making us more afraid and fearful? Is it helping us be more compassionate and empathetic? Or is it making us judgy and critical? Does it make us embrace change or fear the unknown? Just because we're wired a certain way doesn't mean that that's who we are and who we have to stay. Understanding neuroplasticity, understanding that we can change our belief systems and reprogram ourselves is not something you only have to do if you've had trauma. It is something all of us must do at some point because we all have brains, we all have thoughts, we all have belief systems, we all have nervous systems, we all have emotions, we all have goals and dreams and gifts. At the end of the day, we are all the same. We just want to be loved. We want to feel connected. We want to feel like our existence on this planet matters. Doesn't matter where you're from, how old you are, what color your skin is, what religion you are. We all just want to be loved at our core. This is how human beings are wired. We are wired for love and compassion and connection, but we are brought up for judgment, fear, comparison. But just because that's how you were brought up doesn't mean that's how you need to continue to live.